everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. Today let's continue our recall question. Today's question is called the power of the x and n. And be careful that n could be negative, also could be 0. So it in the range from here. The x also from negative, also could be negative up to 100. So if we receive this one, we definitely going to just say, give an example. So first we think if we are going to achieve x, n, how to achieve it actually is x times x minus 1. We continue, then x minus something until the n equal to 0. So, but if we receive like n equal to a, so what are we going to? So the x to a, we're going to times x to 7, times x to 6, and times x to 5, then times x to 4, and times x to 3, x to 2, and x1, and until to x to 0. This is, you could recursive keep looping it, but we also could thinking like this one. So if x in n could be x to n times, and if this n is odd number, so you could half of this n times x n, half of this n. But if it is odd number, then it is x times x minus 1. Then another condition is x equal to 1. So for this one, we only have two conditions. So it is x times x minus 1 until equal to 1, until n equal to 0. So n greater than 0. If n greater than, so you recursive call it. But in here, if we use n times n the half, so you actually could, so if n is odd number, you could calculate it power of x times n divided x, and this is your x, then just x times x. And for this one, and if then until the last one, just give the last x to it, just give the last x to it in here, and then it will be, the tree will be, okay, I just write in here, if it is x to a we started, then we're going to calculate x to 4. Then we're going to calculate x to 2. Then we calculate x to 1. So x1 until to x to 0. So we actually looping this. So in this time it is O and log n. In this recursive it is O and n. So if you receive n, you need looping n times. And here he said it could be a negative. So n is negative, just use you just use 1 divide your answers. And now just let's write the code. When we write the code, we can optimize it. So we're going to receive this n. We just in case going to too big, so we're going to make it known, and then we use m to check this n is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, and we just positive number, just keep n. Otherwise, we just change it to, we convert it to a known and change it to n. This is in case etc, so we convert it to known, change the type to known. Yeah, and now we have the answer. The answer is expected you return the double, so these are our answers. By default, we use 1.0 because it's a double number. And now we just keep a while looping it. So if m not equal to 0, we go into see if this is the last one or not. If this equal to 1, that means that this is our base condition. Then you could give the answers times x. Otherwise, just x times x. And in here we're going to use m right shift 1. And afterwards, we just need simply just compare. So until we are looping to here, this is the last one, and this is the inside. You continue times x, similar to here. And once you finish it, you just simply return n greater equal to 0. Then it is just answers. But what happens if it is selective number? So you just use 1 minus and your answer, divide your answers, because if it is selective 1, it actually like if you are no math, if you don't know math in the test, you actually could find if 2 and elective 3, it actually is 2, 3 and 1. So you just use 1, divide your answer. In here, I change it to none, so it keep it safe. So in case this n is out of exceed the biggest number, yeah. And this suppose just finish it. Make sure I don't have a syntax issue. So we just run the test. Yeah, it finished. Now we could submit it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.